Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings, scroll down and choose Passwords and Security. Now tap on Face Unlock and enter your current screen lock. Then tap on Start at the bottom. Wait 5 seconds and select Next in Attention pop-up. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can name your face data however you wish to. Then click on Done. Adjust all of those options by tapping on the switches next to those features. And finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. In order to disable it, tap on this switcher next to Unlock using face data. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete face data instead, click on it over here, scroll down and choose Delete Face Data. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!